Who are they?
Don't be frightened, little boy.
Allow us to introduce ourselves.
To protect the world from devastation.
To unite all peoples within our nation.
To denounce the evils of truth and love.
To extend our reach to the stars above.
Jesse.
James.
Team Rocket, blast off at the speed of light!
Surrender now or prepare to fight.
Meows! That's right!
My shirt and my pants, JBG match, look, I got a 10. I'm in them stores, I might drop a 10 on it. They ain't need nobody to bring. That boy a hoe, you ain't nobody your man. You might just get in line, ain't nobody them playing. Ain't wasting my time, they don't understand. I can show you how they get to them bands. I can show you how they get to that bag. She just turned a stripe, turn into a cheater. I could cut them off, now that I don't need them.
The duo cam, you can see. How's the lighting? Def crying. But yeah, man's got... Probably hold it this way. Alright, so that's what I got right now. That's kind of just the beginning. They're just getting started, but let's go ahead and open this. We got 5 packs of Destined Rivals. I don't even know what I'm looking for in this, or what the good cards are. I'm looking for what looks nice. So let's jump right into it and get some good, hopefully. You'll drop a like, maybe 1 like, I'll get something nice to start my collection off. Which one should we start off with? Which one would you choose? Alright, 5 packs of Destined Rivals. Which one would you pick? Let me know. If I'm going to be picking, I'm going to go with this one. Alright, let's run this one. First pack of Destined Rivals. What do you think I'm going to get? What should I be looking for? Let's jump right into this, yo. Damn, these are sardy. Never got the ones with a cardboard on the outside. What the heck? It's a sturdy looking pack though. Damn. Alright, let's jump right into this. Man's always struggling. My bad, I'm crying. First card. Oh, I should be doing it like this. First card. Staryu. Nitto. Damn, these cards are surdy. What the hell? Team Rocket. I see some nice back there, so just hang in there. Damn. I like how they're all like Team Rocket's Pokemon. Mans didn't even bag that. Come on. Okay, we're getting... Come on. Bruh. This is... Please. Oh, that's actually sick, yo. No, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. I'm bang with that. Okay, Noah and Energy. And then, bruh, this card really, fam. Mans hate this card. Damn, these packs are nice. This is so much better than the first set I opened. I was getting nothing. Now at least gives you semi-nice cards. Yeah, this Regirock is sardy. Breathe that. One's gonna see good. Alright. Yeah, they had this one. At the store I got these, that they had this one in the white series. It's like Scarlet something, or I don't even know. But yeah, next one, yo. Oh, damn, this is sick too. Mewtwo, fam. No, please, give me some good luck. Some good luck. Come on. We get bear cards in these packs too. What the hell? Alright, come on, lock me in. Nope. Nope. It's okay. Nope. I might have already got this. Team Rocket's Nidoran. Damn, I did not hit the I did not hit this one. That was some bad luck. Oh my god. Alright, next one. Only good card really right now, man, I've got is Regirock. I bang with that Regirock card. But other than that, let's open our next pack of Destined Rivals. Man's got 5. Damn, this is sick. Love the packaging on these. Let me know if I should open... Damn, this one's hard to open. If I should open more Pokemon cards in the future. I just seen these, scoop these up. I already had some at home. Let me build my collection a little more. What am I getting? Come on. Team Rocket Porygon, hard. Okay. Some random guy. Lock me in. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling good on this one. Go, let's go, let's go. Damn, this one's kind of sick. Damn. I didn't even bang. I got both these. Let me spin it back. Let me spin it back. Damn, this one's kind of sick. And then this one's kind of sick. You feel me? See something shiny back there. Come on. Hold on, who's this? This is kind of cool. Men are just getting some cards they've never heard of. Energy. Okay. No way that was the card. There's no way that was the shiny card. Alright, next one. Let's go ahead and open our next one. Destined Rivals. I don't even know what like the Scarlet and Violet is. I don't even know what all that is. I just be opening the packs. Let me know what your favorite Pokemon is in the comment section. Come on, give me something good. 2 packs left. Lucky 2. Damn, I already got this. I'm getting ass. Oh my god. One left. You know what that means. And it's Mewtwo. Oh my god, that just means it's destined. Try to give us something nice. I can feel it. Good luck in the chat. Yo, I need everybody to spam good luck, comment good luck, and maybe before watching it, and maybe we will get something nice. Something for good luck. Alright, here we go. This is the best thing we got so far, Reggie Rock. Damn, that's kind of hard. Damn. But yeah, without further ado, that's been the entire Pokemon opening. Thank you for sticking around. Hope y'all enjoyed. Drop a comment, drop a like. If you want more Pokemon openings, don't forget to drop a subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Let's get it.